Hi, Matthias. Welcome to Five Questions
Yeah,
with SEIA.
yeah,
The first question to you is, can you please introduce yourself, your name, the company you work
yeah,
for, and where you are based right now?
yeah. Yeah, thanks, Alex, for having me. My name is Matthias Krug. I'm working from Germany in Göttingen, and I joined the company end of December 2017.
Thanks, Matthias. Question number two to you is, why do you think trade compliance is so critical to the success of your organization?
Yeah, of course, the delivery process and its supply chain gets even more complex from day to day. And we want to make our customers happy. So the customer should get the right product in time. And talking about legal changes and the changes in the geopolitical environment, it's hard to stay up to date. And if you don't implement the requirements properly, the fines can be heavily. So it can have a major impact on the success of the organization. So it can be monetary fines, but even the reputation is more important. So if you're shipping a product, for example, to Russia without having the necessary license, and if the media gets aware of this, it can have a heavy impact.
Okay, thank you. Question number three to you, Matthias, is, in your opinion, where do you currently see the most pitfalls within trade compliance?
As I said already, I think the fast change in the regulation. So you always have to stay up to date. Best example here, I think, is also the war in the Ukraine. So from one day to another, Russia invades the Ukraine, and almost every Western legislation implemented sanctions. And as we can see in the EU now, we have the 18th package already. So it's very hard to stay up to date. You have, I would say, monthly changes with hundreds of pages of regulations. So hard text, which is complex to understand and even more hard to implement in your IT systems. And utmost important is also the classification, that you have the right classification in time to track all these changes and to train the organization how important master data is.
Okay, thank you. Question number four. What do you think are the biggest areas of improvement needed in trade compliance?
I think we need to interact with the IT systems and we need to have proper interfaces. So you cannot handle everything in one IT system and you cannot have everything internal in your company. So often you are reliable on third parties like brokers, but at the end of the day, you are responsible for the data. The broker is only acting on your behalf. And the authorities are also checking more and more the customs data. So HS codes are getting more and more important. And one obligation is to control the broker. And it's hard if you have different brokers in different countries to consolidate the data, to have it in one format, which you can, for example, map with your ERP system or with your trade compliance management system like GTS. And sometimes not all companies are working on the same ERP system. So you need to connect different systems to consolidate everything, to have really full visibility. And here, a risk management software can really help.
And the last question, and question number five, which of the best practices that we've discussed here at the SEIA ThinkLab in the past few days do you think are the most insightful to you if you go back now to your day-to-day activities?
Yeah. So we figured out that risk management is really important. And here SEIA is, of course, a great solution. And we also discussed that more or less every participant has the same challenge. And if you interact closely with the participants and stay in contact, we can really help to improve each other.
Was there something that we mentioned today of the best practices discussion that will stick out to you?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. We hope to see you again next year.
Yeah, I hope so.
And thanks for visiting us in Munich.
Yeah, thanks. You're
Thank you.
welcome.